Hitting the hay, unpacking an English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cozy topic that's all about getting some rest. Have you ever heard someone say they're going to hit the hay, or going to hit the sack? These phrases might sound a bit odd at first, especially if English isn't your first language. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what they mean and how to use them in your daily conversations. Let's get started. When someone says they're going to hit the hay, or going to hit the sack, they're simply using an idiomatic way to say they're going to bed. These expressions are informal and are most commonly used in casual conversations. The hay and sack in these phrases refer to the bedding materials used in the past, where people actually slept on sacks filled with hay. Today, they symbolize the bed or the act of going to sleep. Understanding the origin of these phrases can make them even more interesting. Both expressions date back to a time when mattresses were not as common as they are today. People used to sleep on sacks filled with hay or straw, which is where the hay and sack come from. Over time, these phrases have evolved into the idiomatic expressions we use today, retaining their rustic charm while losing their literal meaning. Now that you know what these phrases mean and where they come from, let's see how to use them in sentences. After a long day of work, I can't wait to hit the hay. I have an early flight tomorrow, so I should probably hit the sack soon. You look tired. Maybe you should hit the hay early tonight. Notice how these expressions are used to suggest going to sleep, especially when someone is tired or it's late. We hope this video has shed some light on the charming idioms, to hit the hay, and to hit the sack. English is full of such expressions that make it a rich and colorful language. Remember, using idioms can make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, don't shy away from incorporating them into your conversations. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Sweet dreams, and see you in our next video.